How's it going, everybody? This week has been extremely hectic, and I've been in the process of trying to get my brake situation figured out and getting a video out this week. And I've had family stuff and other things going on. So unfortunately, there won't be a video other than this one this week. And I wanted just to cover a couple things. Really, I just wanted to give you a quick update on what I am working on, and then also announce the winners of my giveaway. So the winners for the giveaway video, which I posted a couple weeks ago, the first place winner went to Jael Nava. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I have been able to get in contact with him, and actually his package is already on the way to his house. The second place winner that won the t-shirt is going to go to, the username is Madison Boyd. I have not been able to get a contact with them. So Madison, if you see this video, go back to the previous video where I actually did the giveaway and find your comment pinned there at the very top, and follow the instructions that I put in that post. This video will come out on Thursday, so I'll give you till noon Eastern on Saturday to get back to me. If you haven't gotten back to me by noon Eastern on Saturday, I'll go ahead and pick another winner. So Madison, if you get this, please see the comment on the previous video. So now that that's out of the way, I just want to go ahead and give you an update on what I am going to do with the brakes. And essentially, after I got over my pity party at the end of my last video, I did go back out and take a thorough look at the brakes, and I started buying the parts that were absolutely going to be too difficult to salvage. So I did end up getting all rebuild kits, so I will be doing rebuilds on the entire brakes, both front and back. All the little clips and fasteners and everything I could find relatively easily, I have gone ahead and purchased. So that is one thing that's been holding up my videos this week, is waiting for some of those parts to come in. I think I have most of what I need, so I'm definitely gonna be able to keep making progress, and I'll show you where I'm at right now. But one thing that I wanted to try for this job was different methods for the rust removal. And so in here I've got this rust rescue working, and it's actually been doing a really good job. So this is about 20 hours after I started this, so I'm actually gonna get these out tonight so they don't sit in there too much, and clean them up and see where we're at. But I'll cover that in my video that'll be out next, I guess next week, or possibly this weekend if I'm able to get get some headway on things. But I've had family in town and all sorts of things going on. So the other thing, I'll give you a sneak peek, is the rear calipers have actually cleaned up really nice. That was just with some power tool cleaning and some sanding. So pretty much down to bare metal on those. So I think those will be, those will be fine. The front calipers were never really an issue because they're not, they're either magnesium or some sort of alloy where I don't have to worry about actual rust in that situation. So I wanted to run a few things by you guys. So I've been trying to track down some parts for some future projects and some things that I want to do with the car. So obviously we're going to be doing suspension and motor and all kinds of stuff. I've got a lot of issues with the transmission, not the transmission itself, but some of the wiring that I've got to take care of. I got to pull the rear diff and get that fixed. So I do have some projects in the near future, but a couple things I've been trying to track down that are seemingly difficult. So with the wide body kit on the car, there's not a practical reason, I suppose, for using the factory fender liners. I know a lot of people probably just remove them because they get in the way, and they, clearance issues, whatnot. So I know I could probably form some aluminum in some of the places where I want to keep, dirt and debris out, but I don't know if you guys had any thoughts on where I could track down some, either good condition used fender liners. I have seen a couple people on eBay post, brand new, and I think they're asking for like $190 per side. So I mean, if I have to do that, I have to do it, but I'm gonna end up cutting it up anyway to fit with the wide body kit. So if you guys have any thoughts on where I could find fender liners for an FD, put them down in the comments and I'll check it out so that, we can get some, protect some of the engine bay from some of the openings that are just directly into the engine bay. So yeah, so that was something else I've had on my mind for the last few weeks. I've been trying to get some parts on order for that. So I'll appreciate any help you guys got on that. The last thing I've got to figure out is I've already bought some paint to paint the calipers, but now that I'm going to rebuild the brakes probably before I paint them. What do you guys think would be a good color that would go with this red and potentially go with, you know, maybe other colors that aren't red in the future. I know it's very ambiguous, but you know, I do have blue, I have silver as options. I could certainly go and, you know, buy yellow and whatever other color. But anyway, given the color of this car, what do you guys think would be, you know, an okay color for the caliper? So also put that down in the comments if you guys have any thoughts on what I'm going to do. But like I said, I think my color scheme right now, I'm either leaning towards blue, or I've got some, you know, aluminum silver color that I could try out as well. So anyway, I just wanted to run those by you while I'm still in the process of getting parts and ordering things. So let me know. Anyway, like I said, I just want to make sure I got this video out to announce the winners and to get that squared away, and just let you guys know I am working on the brakes. I do have tons and tons of parts. I mean, literally, I've been keeping the local Mazda dealership in business. So that will all be getting done now. But of course, the project is going to be much larger than I had originally anticipated. So I'll probably have to do maybe like 2 videos on that. One will be rebuilding the brakes and then all this surface prep that we're working on. And then, you know, there'd be some additional work that we have to do in the actual car before we can get the new brakes, replace the brakes. So look out for those videos. Like I said, hopefully I can get that out in the next week or 2. I apologize for not having any, you know, a lot of you commenters like to say, you know, less talky, more worky. So I apologize for not having more worky this week, but I really have been working. It's just, I want to be able to get you know, see what this chemical bath does on some of the rust removal and some of the other things I've got going on. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please bear with me for like a week, and I will make sure to bring out you know, some content next week that will progress the build. So anyway, thank you guys for all your comments on all my previous videos and all your support. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram, because I do post not every day, but every couple days, and you know, updates and just random things that I find. So follow me on Instagram. It's at the Icon Garage. So there's extra "the" in there. Or follow me on Facebook. Those are both connected. So I post one place, they'll show up in the other place. So follow me on Instagram, and I will see you guys later.